Hey everybody, this is Okie Twister 66. I'm doing a test run on a new helmet. Yesterday I tried the Shoei RF1400 and I had a little bit of a bad experience with it. It fit really good once I had it on. However, getting it on and taking it off just did a real bad number on my ears. Okay, so I've got my new Shoei helmet and I've set up my Sena 10C Evo camera on the side. So this is just basically a test for alignment, for sound. I also want to test the wind noise in this new helmet. Feels pretty comfortable. It's really tight, not too tight, tight like it should be. But man, pulling it off my head, it hurts my ears. Yo! So anyway, we're just gonna take a quick ride down. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. Just cruising. About this helmet, I've been looking at it for a while. It's an RF1400 Shoei. Got a pretty cool red paint scheme. It seems to be, about as quiet as my other one. I can't really tell a huge difference. So anyway, we're going to take a ride up here to Mitch Park. View a couple of settings. The cool thing is I now have a communications comm unit in Trish's helmet. We haven't tested it yet, but this helmet was on sale, and so I had like a 10% discount. Cool thing is it also came with this free communication. It's an inexpensive Sena communication device. So today, this morning I called down to Cycle Gear, and that's who I got the helmet from, my local Cycle Gear here in Oklahoma City. Talked to the guys, and man, they were super helpful. And I took the helmet back, they looked at it and so forth, and they agreed to let me change it out for, exchange it for something different. So I chose the Arai helmet, and I really like it. It is it's a Snell rated helmet, and so right now I'm testing it out. It's the first time I've worn it. I had my Sena helmet cam installed, mic, speakers, the whole 9 yards, so I just wanted to see how everything works. I'm really curious about the wind noise in this helmet. It seems to be pretty decent right now. I'm at 40 miles an hour, so it doesn't seem too bad. Yet to be seen how the audio quality is with the recording. So anyway, so yeah, I really want to thank the guys down at Cycle Gear, Oklahoma City. They really were helpful and got my situation resolved. And I really appreciate that very much. So if you guys see this, thanks a lot. So a couple of details on this helmet. It is, it's Snell rated. It has just got the clear shield. I may get a tinted shield at some point, but I wear prescription sunglasses when I ride, so a tinted shield may be a little bit of overkill. Plus, if I do happen to ride after dark, then at least I've got a clear shield. I do carry my regular glasses with me, so just in case I ever need to ride at nighttime, a clear shield with clear glasses is definitely the way to go. This helmet does not have any drop-down shield. Snell-rated helmets won't have that. It has something to do with the integrity of the impact. But it does have a little chin curtain. It's got lots of cool vents. It's got a pin lock, which is great for fog in the visor, but you know, most times the fog problems that I deal with are not the visor, but they're just my actual glasses. And so us people who wear glasses, it's a never-ending battle. However, the fitment with people, or the fitment for people with glasses, is really good with this helmet. They just slid right on, and so that's kind of a big deal. If you don't wear glasses, don't worry about it, but those of us who do, just know that this one is glasses friendly. It's also got a really cool flames paint job. So when I get off the bike, we'll take a picture of that and throw that up here. But man, it's really cool. It sort of matches my Fat Boy color scheme, and some red and white and black. Of course, most people on Harleys like to wear a black helmet. Well, I've worn one for the last several years and I'm ready for a change. Now, nothing against my old helmet. It was a Harley Davidson brand, but it was actually on a Scorpion helmet. They made that particular helmet for Harley Davidson. And man, it was a cool helmet. It was DOT approved, not Snell rated. But remember, I got that helmet when I first decided to get a license, and really wasn't sure how much riding I'd really be doing. But it's been a really good helmet. It was very comfortable. It accommodated my Sena camera and comm device. Handled that really well. Had a drop-down shield in the interior for shade, which was really cool. Had good vents. It was really lightweight. It was a carbon fiber helmet, and really lightweight. It was relatively quiet. You can hear it in some of my other videos. That's the helmet that I use. So I'm glad to get this one now. I've only had it on a few minutes, but it's really, really comfortable, and it goes on pretty easy and comes off pretty easy. It doesn't tear up and make my ears bleed. So I know the Shoei's a great helmet. A lot of people love it. It just was not right for me. I have a feeling I'm really going to love this Arai. So that's all I got for now. I'm just going to enjoy my ride. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Keep up with all the stuff that I'm doing with my bike. So thanks again for watching. Until next time, have fun, ride safe, 2 wheels down.